Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Basilisk Pet from Roblox Adopt. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start off by drawing a curve near the top, like this. Now let's curve it in for the top of the mouth. Next, underneath on the left, let's draw a V shape for the first tooth. Next, a curve over to close off the mouth. Next, underneath, let's draw the bottom of the head with a curve over and back up. Next, let's add the details to the mouth. Let's start with a large V shape tooth here, and then a smaller one on the right. And let's erase any of the overlapping lines inside. Next, let's add the tongue. Inside on the left, let's draw a curve down, and then another one below it. And now let's close off the end with an upside down V. And then erase any of the overlapping lines inside. Next, let's finish drawing the shape of the head. From that top line, let's continue it over to the right and back down like this. Next, let's draw the eyes. Let's start by drawing an oval shape inside on the right here. And then let's color the eye in black. And now for the other eye, let's draw a curve on the very top left of the head. And color this in black as well. Next, let's add the eyebrows on top of each eye. Let's start on top of the right eye and let's draw a curve like this. Then from the bottom, let's draw a wavy line over the eye and back down. Then from the right side, let's curve it up and back in. Now from the top left, let's draw a large curve up and back down. And one more long one like this to close it off. And then erase the overlapping lines inside. Next, let's add the other one on the top of the head. Next to the eye, let's draw a curve up and down. Then a larger one. And then one more curve down to close it off. And that's it for the head. Let's draw the body now. From the right body line we drew earlier, let's continue it down like this. Now let's hop to the left under the head and let's draw the other side of the body with an S-shaped curve down and then over to the right, stopping here. Now to the right of the body line we drew earlier, let's step up and let's draw an S-shaped curve over, around to the top right like this. And then let's follow that same wavy curve all the way back around to close off the body. And that's it for the basic shape of the body. Let's add the details inside now. Let's move back over on the left underneath the head and let's draw a curve down and then back in. Now underneath the head, inside the body, let's draw that same curve down and back up. And then one more below it. And then another one curving down to the right, like this. And then one more curve to close it off. Now let's move to the bottom of the tail at the back and let's draw a curve along the bottom like this. Next, let's add the pattern on the body. In the middle here, let's draw a curve down and then close off the other side with another curve. Next, let's move over near the top here. Let's draw an S-shaped curve up and back down, and then curve it back up to the top. Then again, let's leave some space, move over to the right, and we're going to draw a large curve over, and then one more smaller bump up. Now hop over to the neck and let's draw a curve along the side here like this. Lastly, let's add the spikes. Let's start with one next to the head like this. And then one at the bottom of the neck. Another one to the right with a curve underneath. Move to the right, let's draw another one overlapping the pattern. Another one on the top here. And one more at the very end near the tail. And now let's erase any of the overlapping lines inside of these. And lastly, let's add two more on the center of the body with triangle shapes like this. And that's it for this pet basilisk. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!